Hi all, welcome to the video. In the last video, we used hyperparameter tuning to obtain the optimal parameters for a random forest model. Now we'll see what is the accuracy that we get on a train and a test data set. Okay, so I'm just writing accuracy on train data set. So now, first of all, since it is a classification problem, let's say train underscore default is it, and then we use a predict. Okay, and then we will be using predict and train.If. Let's see. Okay. If this is a vector, let's look at first few values. Okay, it's a problem. Okay, so see, we are basically getting no and a yes. Now let's create a confusion matrix, and we basically have a table of table which will be a cross between train default and train.Tf, the actual default variable. Okay, so now this is the confusion matrix. Let me write confusion matrix. Okay, and if I check the accuracy is nothing but if I add the diagonal elements, which is true positive and true negative, and I basically divide it by the sum of the entire thing. Let's call it x tab. Okay, and if I divide it by the sum of all the elements in the confusion matrix, it's come to around 98%. Okay, we can similarly check the accuracy in test data set. Okay, so test default, instead of train default it will be test default, and our train data set will be replaced by test data set. Okay, again the same thing, test default not found. Okay, my bad. First I need to create a test default. So I will use model1 to predict on the test data set. Okay, and let's use xtab. So these are the confusion matrix value for the test data set. So again, if I add the diagonal elements, which is 2872 plus your 61. Now if I check the accuracy, it is more or less similar to or same as 98%. Now the thing is, with hyperparameter tuning and random forest, we were able to drastically improve the accuracy. Now let me show you one of my blogs. Okay, just let me show you that, where I have sort of created a blog on logistic regression. Okay, and yeah, so it's the same problem, but I'm using a logistic regression approach there, and I just want to show you, the accuracy that we got while training the model on logistic regression, and you will be very surprised to see the improvement in accuracy. Okay. Okay, so you see, when using the logistic regression model on the same dataset, we got an accuracy of 88%. But after using random forest and hyperparameter tuning framework to get the optimal parameters, the accuracy shot up by 10 percentage points. Okay, so that's the benefit of using an ensemble modeling, especially with random forest, and then using a hyperparameter tuning framework. It drastically improves the accuracy. So I hope this video was useful to you. Do show your support, do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the video.